Pete, what broke?
Oh, I don't think Travis put a bolt and a nut on it.
I think it's operator abuse. And you were running it.
It's definitely abuse.
Is it one of the square holes or is it one of the No. That's one of the round holes, isn't it?
Where's that hole go?
Which one? This one?
Yeah.
You mean how far back does it go? It goes back quite a ways. Yeah. I'd almost weld these darn things on if it was me.
Well, you quit tearing them off.
I mean, look how loose these are.
They're bolted on.
Well, they shouldn't be this loose.
Well, it's 20 years old.
But still. God, now you're just making a mess for me to clean up later.
Well, if you would have double nutted the thing to start.
Oh, you can't. Okay, now I see my problem. You can only get so big of a bolt in between this tooth here and that there where it bolts in. You can only get so long of a bolt in. And the bolt I used, you can only get one nut on. There was only that much thread. That's why I did it like I did.
Okay. We're going to do it a different way.
Okay. We're going to weld it on. Right?
No.
No. Yeah. Getting a little warm out.
It is.
I'll be able to see if the AC really works in that gator Sunday.
You won't need it.
Huh?
You won't need it.
Why?
Why you won't need it?
When I go down to my grandma's Sunday to do grocery shopping. Something ain't right, Pete. You see how this second one in, it's kind of flat on top? Why aren't the rest of them though? Oh. Huh, that kind of makes sense. No. 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 That thing looks brand new the way it's pointed like that. Look at that. And then these here, I don't know. But see, they got the same kind of point too. So I don't know. Maybe that tooth. I'd weld the darn things in if it was my bucket, but. So you knew that they stayed. But. I mean, look at all that slop. Urgh. Oh well. Because I've done this job long enough to know that what size wrench it takes.
Well, I wish you'd just do the job right when you do it.
Well, you'll see that you can't only get such a long bolt in there. And you can only get so many nuts on.
I'm gonna go get a longer bolt.
Okay. Does it fit? No.
Hang on, Trav. I'm not done. I'm not done, buddy.
Okay. Let me hold that so you can use the other hand?
No.
Okay.
Nah.
Okay. Them are a pain in the butt to get lined up, aren't they?
Well, if we ain't got the right size bolt, we need ½ inch shorter.
Uh-huh.
And the other one's
too long.
Well, the other.
Do you got to go back in that pen and?
No, I'm done there.
Okay, because I put both chains on.
Nope, I'm gonna go down there and clean the other barn out, the lower barn.
Okay. I think when the teeth are ground off like this is when it does a better job. Don't you think?
No.
Why not?
Well, why does it?
It does a better job of digging in that crap.
It's definitely crap.
Yeah, that it is. That tooth's a lot better now. So yeah, back at it again. Just try and clean the area up where we feed the hay out. Way he wanted to put the manure bucket on was to clean that crap up and do some other work. Making sure you don't hit the concrete, which breaks them teeth more than anything. Horsepower skid load or so. If I'm wrong on that, somebody please correct me. I want to say it's anywhere from 40 to 50, but I'm not sure. I don't know what horsepower rating that loader is. I do know it's rated at 1,500 pound operating capacity. That's lift capacity, so yeah. I guess we're making a dike out of this dry stuff and moving this wet crap over there so that it don't get, I don't know why we're messing with it, handling this stuff twice. Heck on. I don't ask questions, so I just go with the flow anymore. Tire looks flat, don't it? Don't sit on it. Must be a tire. That front, this side tire's going flat. Be when he turns funny, or I don't know what he's doing to make it kiss, but it sure is doing it. way got it cutting and it's trying to tear that cut open more or something. Had to be another project we're gonna do. Friggin' change tires. Yeah, now it's getting more vigorous. Happening more often. Darn it. Well, it is what it is, I guess. Wouldn't dare try to run tracks in a barn because you make sparks and all that. And just be a disaster. So, if you guys enjoy this video, thanks for watching. Hope to see you later.